Hey, did you hear?
Hear what?
Cats sit on you.
They sit on whom?
They sit on you.
Oh!
And sometimes they take over the school.
Wait, what?
Cats sit on you.
Okay.
And sometimes they take over the school.
Okay, what?
Cats sit on you. And sometimes they take over the school.
Where do the cats come from? What do they want with the school? How do we stop it? Is it a good thing? What exactly are you telling me?
I think you know more than you think you know. Like what do they do?
Sit.
And who do they sit on?
You.
And what do they take over?
The school?
How often do they do it?
Sometimes. Okay, I'm getting it.
Cats sit on you. And sometimes they take over the school. Cats sit on you. And sometimes they take over the school.
Hi there, I'm outside the local elementary school where cats sit on you and sometimes they take over the school. Here to comment is a student.
So yeah, basically, cats sit on you, and sometimes they take over the school. Cats sit on you, and sometimes they take over the school.
Fascinating. Let's take a look inside the school, shall we? I'm just opening the door to the school and...
There are cats everywhere! They're sitting on me and they're clearly in charge!
Yikes! Poor guy! Back to you in the studio!
You see?
See what?
It's clear as day. Cats sit on
Okay,
you.
okay,
And
right
sometimes
enough.
they
Now I can take this mask off and reveal my true self. My true self is a cat. Meow, 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 meow. The end.